An acquaintance is someone you know and spend time with occasionally. A friend is a person with whom you have a strong bond and mutual affection. Are those 500 plus people you have on Facebook your friends or acquaintances, or you don't know? Social scientists and psychologists who study relationships often suggest that most of us can only really manage 7 to 10 people in our lives at any moment. But let's face it, every week, who do you often call and text, and with whom do you hang out over the weekend? Colleagues eat lunch and the occasional dinner together. Friends eat dinner at each other's houses. Colleagues hang out at work and work-related functions like training, conferences, and business trips. Friends do activities together away from work that has no workplace nexus. Want to know who your real friends are versus your colleagues? These questions can help you determine who is who. Have you ever been to their house? Do you ever get together on the weekends? Have you ever met their spouse, partner, or kids? Do your kids and theirs ever interact? Do they remember your birthday or other significant events in your life? Have they ever bought you a gift based on their remembering how you like to think? Have they ever done you a small favor out of kindness and expected nothing in return? Do they ever call, email, or text to say hello, or is it only when they need something or want to talk about the business issue? Do they invite you to lunch, dinner, or drinks with no ulterior motive other than they like being with you? Do they ask you factual questions about your life goals and plans? Do they only call or contact you when they or someone in their family are in trouble? In life, you can expect to have only 1 or 2 best friends, and those are the people with whom you share your bad and good days. Everyone else just an acquaintance or a colleague. Thanks for watching.